Hey guys, this is one of the most innovative and cutting-edge marketing tools which has come across Facebook. It is known as Facebook retargeting or Facebook remarketing. Let's dive into it and let's look at what it's all about. Retargeting simply means the action of remarketing or re-engaging your visitors or traffic with highly targeted ads based on their recent interaction with your product or service when they leave your website without buying or without taking any desired action, like entering an email ID or those similar stuff from you. In simple terms, Facebook retargeting is targeting those visitors or traffic and potential customers who have shown some interest in your product or service by using the Facebook advertising platform. Now, whenever we give any advertisement there, not more than 2% of the visitors will buy from you in the first interaction. What's more important is that not more than 30 to 35% of the visitors will enter their email ID, their name, or details, which means that potentially you are losing 98% of people who are leaving your website without buying, or the rest 60 to 65% of people are not even entering their email ID. So you are losing the chance to interact with them in the future. But guess what? Those people have already shown interest in your product, and as we all know, it takes at least 3 to 4 exposures before you start selling your products, before you're getting that mind share into your customer's mind. So with retargeting, you are actually targeting those potential customers who have already shown interest into your product or services. You are already 10% better than your competition. That's the reason why Facebook remarketing has become a big phenomenon in the recent times. Why? Because this gives you the power to remarket or retarget those precise customers, those target audience who has already shown interest into your product or services. And once you market to them, of course, your conversions are skyrocketing. Your low conversions are of proportions, and that is why this is so important nowadays, and why people, especially marketers, are going crazy about this particular technique of marketing. Let's look at a graphical presentation. A visitor, which is this particular lady, number 1, comes to your website. They learn about your product, but leaves without purchasing. It might be because the bell has rung, or the dog is barking, or the child is crying. Not necessarily that they want to leave, but inevitable situations happen sometimes, and they just get defocused to do something else. Now, what happens to Facebook remarketing? Facebook displays your ads to those specific users who left your website, bringing them back to buy. The cool part of that, they don't have to stay into that particular offer for a few seconds or a few minutes. Even if they just stay for a nanosecond, which is a fraction of a second, still they are hooked inside Facebook Remarket too, and that's absolutely cool. Now, here are some facts about Facebook retargeting. Why do we want it so bad? Why are people going mad about it? Why do we have to have a complete module on Facebook retargeting? And why should you absolutely master it as a marketer? Once you do that, you can be a champ at this. Number 1, it increases your brand awareness by positioning your brand on top of prospects' minds, almost like magic. The data shows that 43% of companies use retargeting for brand building. Do you think they're fools for doing studies on their market and on their competitors? That's why the corporates use retargeting or remarketing for brand building. Number 2, it converts visitors who leave your website and never came back. As I told you in the beginning, 98% of visitors leave your website without taking any action. New visitors take at least 2 to 4 exposures before they actually make a purchase. So, retarget marketing not only helps you to get into the mind share of your target customer, but with repeated exposure of your product to the target market, to the interested customers, you actually get it to correct it. Number 3, 11% of brands use retargeting to hijack their competitors' traffic and sales. And that's ninja as a marketer. And guess what? You and your competition do have a similar type of advertisement, right? But because you do retargeting, which has crazy little techniques, you can be hijacking your competition's traffic. You can also be hijacking sales from your competition, and they don't have any single clue how did they lose customers. Number 4, 57% of Facebook retargeted emails get opened and clicked, thus leading to sales. Of course, When people click on your advertisement, when they click on your emails, obviously they do buy and you make sales. Number 5. 2 out of 5 leading marketers in the industry have dedicated budget every month for retargeting and use this strategy aggressively. I'm talking about elite marketers, so they maybe are the top 1%. These are the people who understand conversions, leads, and sales. They understand about the cutting-edge technology, and they have the mechanism or software to analyze their conversions. Without these guys, you cannot start and have this business because you have to grow with the time. You have to understand what's new and what's happening now, not what used to happen 5 years back, but what's happening now. Let me give you some real examples using my Facebook. Now, I visited one advertisement here. So once I visited this website, I stayed for some time, but for some reasons, I did not purchase from them. Once I came back, immediately they tried to get me back into their website. Another example is this. This page is used to build sales page or squeeze pages. And the moment I came back, I could see that I'm being tracked inside one of their pages. How cool is that? So now you might be thinking, yes, this happened to me, and you have the aha moment. Imagine once you do these things in your business, whether you are promoting your own product or services, affiliate offers, or network marketing. Whatever you are promoting, once you master these things, imagine how effectively you can build your business, how many more sales, conversions, and leads you can get. Because you are retargeting or remarketing to the exact audience who has already shown interest into your product or services, you could build your brand, getting conversions and leads, and making sales like crazy. Since this is remarketing, it is super duper cheap. You could be getting a click for 4 to 5 cents. I mean 5 cents. How cool is that? Why is it cheap? Because you are already marketing to a small target market or audience. So with retargeting, you not only get to convert your offers, increase your sales, get more leads which you are losing, but this is also one of the cheapest ways to advertise your business. On the next video, I will do something good for you, and you will love me for that. I'll be making a video where I'll show you the exact steps and an exact case study of how I am creating a Facebook retarget marketing, and you can pretty much copy the same. There is no more available in the market, and the marketers who know this will never ever share it to you, and that's for sure. So thank you so much, guys. I have tons of fun making this particular video as always. See you in the next video.